Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix unwanted subscription charges in Feedly. So at first you will need to identify where you're subscribed. Okay, so Feedly subscription can come from the Apple App Store. It's the iPhone billing directly via Feedly website, like if you used your card or PayPal, or even via the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Okay, so the fix depends on this. Okay, so if you subscribe via iPhone, you will need just to go to your Apple App Store. Okay, and inside that you will need to open the settings. So to do that, you gotta tap your profile icon or your profile picture that's located at the top right corner of the app or the store, and right here you will need to go and tap on the purchase history option. Okay, so that's one. So just go ahead and tap it, and here look for a Feedly, or just locate it, find it, and tap on the subscription. All right, and right here where you can cancel the subscription. Okay, so once you tap on Feedly, tap cancel subscription. So this stops the future charges and you will keep access until expiry. All right, so the common causes of the issue are the free trial not cancelled in time, the auto renew left on, that's off, and the subscribed twice, or you subscribed twice, and that's a very common problem. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.